Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, now we could see Nadli walks. Okay, Nadli, as a trial basis, walk. May sound effect pa. Up. Ibuka mo ng konti legs mo, baka magtamaan yan. Yan. Then walk. The usual. Yan. As you can see, ganyan siya maglakad. Parang nananakot lang. But, like I said earlier from the first video, dito po natin ginagawa ang test drive for mobility test for a mech costume. Yan. Ito nyo, nagtututuruan. Para siyang traffic enforcer. Yan. Wala lang magawa yung minsan nagsusot ako cosplayer. At hiniram pa yung Gundam, ulo ng Gundam X siya. Napakagaling. Pero, siyempre, papalitan din natin na pan-Nadli yan. As a trial pa lang naman po yan. So, gwapong-gwapo siya ngayon. Hindi pa siya maganda eh. Pag Nadli kasi, kailangan maganda. Ayan. Now.
Pero pag wala yung maskara pa.
Then, now, subukan po natin ngayon. Pabalikin. Okay, now. Walk forward. Okay. Okay, stop. Walk sideward. Left. 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 Walk right. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, walk backward. 1, 2, 3. Now, walk diagonally left. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, face front. Very good. Now, this is the end of the first trial of the mobility test of the Gundam Nadli costume. Thank you very much.